Hey everyone, welcome back to another Mercedes video. Today we're going to be changing out one of the pollen filters in a W140 S500. So to get started, here we are on the passenger side of the car. I went ahead and moved the seat all the way back to give myself some room here to sort of lay down and maneuver. Okay, all we need for this job is a flathead screwdriver. We're simply going to insert it into the tabs, release the clips, and remove that cabin filter. So there's actually no need to touch the 8mm bolts here and here. We can leave those in place. Next, we're going to take a flathead screwdriver and put it into the slot right here. Not this one right here, the smaller rectangle. And we're going to push this screwdriver here towards the front of the car to release the clip. There's one, and over here, there we go. Now this whole unit should swing down. No idea what I'm going to find in here. Okay. Who knows when the last time this was removed. Maybe we'll find out here. So here is the little filter right here that we're going to be replacing. Alright, and to remove it, basically just pull this towards me. There's a couple of tabs. There we go. This comes right out really easily. Okay, yeah, that is pretty gross. Look at that. Check out the color difference. Here's our new replacement, and here's the old one. Pretty gross. Alright, I'm going to take this little tray in and give it a rinse. Just clean up some of the residue, dirt and dust that's stuck on here. And I might also spray this out too, and being careful not to get our foam insulation here wet. Okay, here is the new pollen filter. Set that in. There's a small indent here on one side so you know the correct orientation. And then we'll just snap this basket back in. There we go. And now we're ready to install this piece back up here. And if anyone is curious, here is what it looks like with the panel removed. When we go to reinstall this, there is a little clip here and here that pivots on a hinge, and we'll just push those into place and align everything.